You've seen a dripping faucet like that, haven't you? Yeah. And sometimes people don't realize that it can be quite wasteful of water. So today you and I are going to figure out how much water it really wastes. Let's assume that it's dripping once a second.
Okay.
Okay? I'm going to shut it off because I don't like to waste water. Let's figure out how many drops there are in 1 cc. You see the 1 cc mark down there in the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you want to be a real scientist, you hold it up and you look right across so that you're seeing that line, and you count the number of drops.
Okay.
That go until you make 1 cc.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Right to the bottom
27.
of the 27. Okay, remember that. 27 drops equal 1 cc. Now, if that drip continued for 1 whole month, it would be a certain volume of water. What's this one?
100 cc. 1 liter. 4 liters. 10 liters. And 20 liters.
Do you think it would be any of these volumes?
Well, there's 5 of them out here, and it wouldn't be the smallest. And it wouldn't be the biggest. It's too big.
Well, so you're just started taking a wild guess, really, right?
Yeah.
So which one are you going to guess?
I'd say 10 liters.
10 liters?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's actually calculate it and see how close you came. Here's the pen. So here you can fill in how many drops per 1 cc?
27.
Okay. Okay, now we just assumed that it was 1 drip a second. So how many drips would be 1 cc? How many seconds?
27.
What, 27 seconds, right. Okay, now multiply it by, this was 1 cc, now multiply it by 100. How many seconds?
2,700.
Right. Okay, now we wanted to find it, that's seconds, now find minutes. What do you do? 2,700 here,
Okay.
divided by 60. I have my calculator all set for you. There it is, turned on,
2,700 divided by 60.
equals, what do you got?
45.
Okay, up here, 45 minutes. Okay, now what are we going to do? We're going to multiply by 10. So what do you do here?
45 times 10?
Right, just add a 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we're going to take that figure. That's, by the way, 1 liter.
Okay.
Now we're going to find it, we're going to change it into hours. So what do you put here?
450.
50 divided by 60. Clear?
450 divided by 60 equals 7.5.
Okay, right here, 7.5 hours. Notice that's 1 liter.
Whoa.
Okay. Now, we're going to multiply that by
100.
100. So what do you put here?
750.
Okay. And 750 is 100. Now, we want to find out how long it's going to be. We were in what? We were in hours.
Okay.
Now we want to find it by days. What do we have to do?
750 divided by 24.
Right? 700, well, write it in there first, right? Okay. 750
750 divided by 24.
equals, what do you got?
31.25.
31.25 days is about a month, right?
Yeah.
How many cc's? 100
100
liters.
liters.
Yes, you said what? You thought 10? Do you realize how many liter bottles that is? 100? In fact, in 1 month, at 1 per second, here's how much water you'd waste. Come on, I'll show you.
Wow.
Yeah. Now, how many did you guess?
Just 10 liters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And how many liters in a month?
100 liters.
Yeah, dripping in 1 a second. And notice I have every 10th bottle moved out. So there's 10, 20,
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Right. And if that happened to be hot water that was dripping.
You'd waste a lot of energy.
Right, so conclusion?
Get rid of all drips.
Right.